Hi, I'm Alyssa, designer 2 developer at Looptworks.
Hello, I'm Matthew, designer 1 at Looptworks.
There was an aesthetic trend on social media that went viral called #CoastalGrandmother.
Coastal grandmother.
A coastal grandmother.
There's a good chance you might be a coastal grandma.
Trying to embrace her inner coastal grandma.
It just fit really beautifully with the washed out denim. That was definitely like a leading inspiration behind all the product. Being able to kind of lean into that more feminine customer and get a little softer with the aesthetic in the product, so that was really fun also. Yeah.
Denim is like such like a almost living like material. It's like it breathes, it takes on your warmth, and it's such like a heritage piece as well. My favorite piece in the collection is the extra large tote. It's just something so beautiful and simple about packing everything in one like Mary Poppins style bag.
Well, I'm particularly attached to every single piece in this collection, but my favorite one is the bucket bag. I think it's a great everyday piece to just grab and go, and also because it has a ton of hand detailing on it. This material has lived many lives. Some people may say you upcycle it, but it becomes less than it started out as, and I think that we see it as it's more than it started out as.
It like proposes a new challenge in design, because it's like you already are given pieces of the puzzle that you have to now try to understand and then incorporate somehow, and that's part of the fun. It's like figuring out that puzzle.